Hi guys, today's video is about Groove Funnels tutorial. So what I wanted to do is, as you can see on the screen at the moment, show you inside the free account that you can sign up for in the link below. I'll leave a link so you can sign up for this free account. And what it looks like inside the actual members area once you sign up. And as you can see over here on the left hand side, you've got all the various components, products, the pages, Groove Sell, which allows you to sell your own products on this platform, the affiliate program that you become part of, the Groove Mail, and a membership site, and video hosting. So you can see you get quite a lot of what's the word I'm looking for, functionality inside of this program. But because it's a free account, there are limitations, and it's still on beta at the moment. It's the 27th of June 2020 at the moment, and I believe by the end of July it's moving out of beta and becomes a monthly subscription fee attached. So now is the time to take action and at least get yourself a free account, but I would really urge you to upgrade for a low fee, and I think it's less than $500 to get access to Groove pages. Now I have upgraded to the full Pro membership, which I'll show you inside in a moment. I just wanted to take a few minutes just to run through here what you get with the Groove Funnels. And you get here, if you click on Groove pages over on the left hand side here, you have the ability to build 3 free websites fully hosted on the hosting account of Groove Funnels. As you can see here, excuse me, I haven't built a site on this free account. You can upgrade to Pro here, but let's click over here on the right hand side and just say add a new site, and you get build it from scratch with a blank template. And by the way, there is the ability to clone landing pages, squeeze pages, other websites, which obviously I'm not going to go into in this video tutorial, but my plan is that anyone that signs up through my affiliate link, which is in the description below, and becomes a full member, then I'm going to build, let me just go back, I'm going to build a membership site. Well, I'm a bit slow today. I'm going to build a membership site inside of Groove for extra training. So let's just click on that link. I don't know. Yeah, you see, this isn't available right at this moment in time, which is say June, the end of June, coming late July. So my plan is anyone that signs up underneath me, I will provide extra training where necessary. But there is absolutely a full training here. As you can see, you can upgrade. Excuse me. There's an affiliate program. Oh dear. Excuse me. The ability to sell your own products with Groove Pay. Ads Academy, which there's training on the Academy site at the moment with the free account. Tutorials, search engine, video search engine, webinar training, Facebook group, super FAQ. Let's just go into here because this is quite a comprehensive FAQ page, and as you can see, you know, most all questions that you want to ask there, you can get answered. I mean, this one here, do your pages have free SSL? And yes, you can download a free SSL, and I actually think it's via Cloudflare. Let's go back. Anyway, I just wanted to give you a quick look at what you actually get on the free account that enables you to build your 3 free websites. So we come through, click on my sites, add a new site over here on the upper right hand side. Let's say you can build one from a blank template, or blank template, or there's pre-built templates here. And as you can see, you have access to these templates as a free member. There's a premium one there, and there are more when you upgrade. And as I say, I should take you inside my upgraded account in a moment. But probably most people you could get by with just using these free templates. So you're probably asking yourself, why upgrade? Well, besides you get more templates to build your sites with, there's certain where are we? Come here. There's certain functionalities that you've only got access to via a pro membership. I mean, we're all adults, and we realise that you can't run a platform like this for free. There's cost involved, developers, etc., etc. So I'm going to leave a link also to this video where Mike Fulsheim, who is one of the owners of this program, Groove Funnels, goes through what you can get. You can probably see some of it at the back. You know, this is your baseline, your free account that you can have now. You get Groove Sell, affiliate pages, okay, and it says there light, and that's limited to the amount of templates I've just shown you, and then you can upgrade to the other, you know, the Groove member, etc., etc., and Groove video, which if you're a serious marketer, I think you probably want, because also, you know, just say on the background that Groove Mail, you get an autoresponder, and it's going to be of the quality of Active Campaign, where you can automate and track. So I personally upgraded, so I've got access to everything, and it's in beta at the moment, so it's a good low figure to get it. Okay, so what I want to do now is go over to my pro account and show you inside there. Okay guys, so here we are inside my upgraded account, a pro account. As you can notice there, now there isn't that red or pink upgrade button there, and you can still upgrade here. Let's click on that, learn more, and it's that same video that I showed you inside the free account, and it's worth watching this video because
hi, I'm Mike Fulsheim.
Mike goes through in detail what you actually do get. So quickly, I'm just going to show you Groove pages inside the pro account as opposed to the free. So we click on new site, templates, and for some reason I'm not getting the full list of templates here, but there are more templates inside the pro account, and I'm not going to, you know, waste time looking for those now. So you're asking yourself probably why upgrade. Well, I mentioned that earlier, because you're going to get full access to everything down here. The e-commerce platform, you get Groove Cart where you can sell your own products. You can add a Shopify store if you've got one. And here's the future. Groove Funnels, a blog, webinars. You can host your own webinars, help desk, a calendar. So if you run a gym or you're hairdressers or something like that, you can build your own calendar, and a Groove survey, which is what I'm interested in. And all down this side, you actually get access to all that. But what I really liked about upgrading, besides I want to get onto the surveys, access to the surveys, I wanted Groove Mail. Just open that, and that's not available just yet. I think it's next month, July, that becomes available. July. So you've got here everything you'd expect in a world-class emailing marketing solution. You can get sequences, automation and broadcasts, as well as text and voice SMS broadcasting. Now I do know for a fact with the Groove Mail, Mike Philsame is limiting the mail that you get added with the upgrade account to 25,000. Now that's a lot. I don't expect my list to reach that sort of size, and if it does, then they are going to give us a good price to upgrade to a higher plan. So that's one reason why I upgrade. The other reason was a membership site, which I told you, anyone that signs up under me, I shall build a membership site where I can communicate and add new training if necessary. Again, that's coming in July. And the other thing I liked about this is, as I mentioned, even with a free account, it's fully hosted, and you can use your own domain name, which is an added bonus. You don't have to have whatever it will be. I think it's like App Groove Funnel or something. The address. You can have your own personal domain. And videos, Groove videos. Besides hosting them on YouTube, which is where you're watching this now, you can have your own personal training videos hosted here. You've got a powerful tool with view automations, lead capture, social sharing to unlock content, etc. And that's coming in late July. So you've got the ability to control the video, put your links inside there, etc. But one other thing that I liked, I mean, besides the whole package for me appealed to me because it is a one-stop solution. And some people may say, yeah, you know, you got all your eggs in one basket, and that's true. But look at the people that are behind it. Mike Philsame is an absolute giant inside the internet space when it comes to providing services, software services. I mean, Karcher was one, Webinar Jam. You know, he's just got a 100% track record of reliability and producing fantastic, reliable software, and he doesn't walk away from stuff. It's here forever. This will become, well, I don't really want to say it'll take over from ClickFunnels, because I don't suppose it will, but ClickFunnels do not offer all this functionality, and when it does go to a monthly fee, I think you can get all this here Groove Funnels for $99 a month, which is still more than you get with ClickFunnels. So the other reason that I like this, besides all this that I'm going to get, I have got access to, a lot of it, as I say, isn't live yet, but it will be, is here, the affiliate program. And as some of you know, if not all of you, ClickFunnels has an affiliate program attached to it, and so does this. And the headline there, learn how to earn 40% recurring and residual income for life on our automatic two-tier affiliate program. I'm not going to play the video because you can come inside here and if you sign up just for a free account, you have access to the affiliate program. And in fact, you are automatically signed up to the affiliate program when you sign up for a free account. The only difference is a free account, you just get a 20% recurring. You still get access to a second tier affiliate program, and that is if someone signs up underneath you, you get a percentage of what that they generate. But because I'm a pro member, I get 40%. I also get a second tier. For instance, if you signed up today and had a paid upgrade to a paid account, I would get 10% as a second tier affiliate from your activities. And likewise applies to you. You generate your own affiliates and you get your second tier, and that is fantastic, and it's residual. And as I say, I actually feel that this will become bigger and bigger and bigger. More people that get on board will see the value of everything you've got over this left hand side compared to lead pages, ClickFunnels, all the other funnel builders that are out there. Most of, I think ClickFunnels do have a membership application attached to their software, but I think you have to pay, is it $300 a month, $297? So that is, hopefully in a nutshell, I haven't gone on too long, that is GrooveFunnels. I just found it too good an offer to pass up, and right now, whilst it's in beta, get your free account, but you can upgrade to GrooveFunnels, get the full functionality that's here for a one-off payment, or you can upgrade to the pro level, which enables you to earn more commission and give you more access to everything else down this left hand side. So there's a link in the description. Go and check that out. Go into a video that explains a little bit more about what the whole concept of GrooveFunnels is, and at least sign up for a free account. You get 3 free websites you can build and host it for free. If you did nothing else, that's got to be worth it. Okay, so I'm going to leave you again. Check the link in the description below. Go and have a look. There is really nothing to lose, and I hope that you decide, as I did, to go the full Monty and sign up for a pro account, and I'll see you inside the membership site that I will be building for extra training in the trenches, as it were. Okay, so I'm Mike from Mike Lucas Online, and I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.